With CORSAIR iCUE and the Philips HUE smart lighting integration, you can sync your system lighting beyond your PC. To get started, open the Philips HUE Mobile App and set up an entertainment zone for the lights that you wish to control for the iCUE integration. When setting up an entertainment zone, newer Philips HUE lights will be recommended for the best color representation. Once you've added the lights that you wish to control and configured their placement, save the entertainment zone. You can now close out of the Philips HUE Mobile App. Now go to your PC and start up CORSAIR iCUE. Go to iCUE Settings and enable the Philips HUE plugin. Go back to the iCUE home screen and select the Philips HUE tile. Follow the setup prompts to start the pairing process and connect your Philips HUE bridge. Go to Lighting Effects and you'll now be able to view and configure the entertainment zone that you've set up on the mobile app. The Philips HUE integration supports a wide variety of preset, custom, and lighting link effects. Playback of these effects will vary depending on the layout of the lights that you've added to this entertainment zone in the Philips HUE mobile app. For best results, we recommend sticking to 1 or 2 lighting layers per entertainment zone. If you wish to pass control of your entertainment zone back to your smart home devices, simply go to Device Settings and toggle Lighting Playback off. And that's it! It's easier than ever to sync up your system lighting with the ambient lighting in your home with CORSAIR iCUE and the Philips HUE smart lighting integration. Thanks for watching!